Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name The Records DJKB. Today I'm here to teach you how to play drums with your keyboard in Virtual DJ like a professional. So let me show you what exactly we are coming to learn. After that, I'll show you the mapping script and I'll show you how to load the drum sounds in your Virtual DJ and also show you how to play with them. So let's go. Alright, so this is what we are coming to learn today. So let's go to our Virtual DJ. So for this one, we are going to use our numerous key on the keyboard. So if you don't have the full keyboard, you can relocate the script to the functions key. So for this tutorial, we are using our numerous key, separate numerous key, or you can use external keyboard to do that. Alright. So this is the mapping script. Starting from the forward slash and the star 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 0 and the point or dot. So this same keys you will be using to play your sampler is the same thing. You can see that here I have my drums here, but when I switch here, this here is the sampler bank. When I switch to my RDKB, that is my jingles own jingles, you can see
DJK DJKB.
so you just be switching to your samplers or your drums. Here is another drums, so you'll be using here to be switching to your samplers, either drums or your own jingles. So let me show you how to load your sampler, your drum samplers in your Virtual DJ. So you come here, you click on the sampler bank here, that is here, and you can see new here. Click on the new and rename it. Oh, sorry, on my keyboard my U is not working, so let's take it like that. So you can see it has created a new sampler bank with a blank space. So here we will be dragging and dropping our drum samplers. So let's minimize this window. So you can see here is my drums. It is in zip form, so we need to extract it. Right click on it and extract to drums. I will leave a link in the description down below so you can download the drum sounds. Okay, you can see it has extracted it. Open it. So now you can see our drum samplers. So this one we will be dragging and dropping in our Virtual DJ. So position your Virtual DJ like this and the folder too like this. Okay, so now we'll be dragging and dropping our samplers here. So you listen to your sampler. If it feel okay for you, then you drag and drop it here. So you'll be dragging and dropping it here the way you want it. So this is how you load your drums into your sampler bank. So you can see. So in case you want to arrange your drums like mine, this is how I arrange mine. You can look and arrange it. I will leave a link in the description down below for you to download the drum samplers. And there is another way on how to load your drum sampler into your sampler bank. So you can see that our drum samplers are on our desktop. So let's go to our virtual DJ. So click on your local music and click on desktop, and you can see the drums folder here. Click on it. You can see the drums samplers here. So you just drag and drop, or if you play and it is okay for you, then you drag and drop. So let me teach you how to play with the keys. All right. So the first skill is, so if you combine it together, it will be like this. And the second one is also this. And one is, so let's add our instrumental, so we play and you hear how it sounds. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and also share and comment. And please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for future videos.